Hey, it's Scott from BWise. Thanks for letting me show you how you can use BWise on your mobile phone or your tablet, just as you can on your desktop. There's no app required. Just go to businesswise.info on your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and just log in, and you'll come to this screen, the home page. You can tap the three horizontal bars at the top left to expand a menu. So if you're on search results, for example, and you want to get back to the home page, just tap on that and you're taken straight back there. Your recent searches show up here at the top, and you can tab and scroll through that to get to when you want. Your favorite lists show up right here, and you can tap on one of those to open it. We'll show you that. And then your current activities for the week are down here at the bottom. We don't show you all of the things that you might be able to see. For example, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see that there are certain items that are hidden when you're on a mobile phone, such as the BWise List Builder, simply because the screen isn't large enough to let you do the full set of things that you would need to do to build lists. So we've hidden those. However, you can certainly pull up the entire database, and let's take a look at what that looks like. So let's tap on one of the recent searches. I'm going to tap on Powers Ferry Landing East. That's a building where we are located. And you'll notice that you see all of the businesses in the building. And then I can tap on any one of the companies. In this case, I'll pull up our profile. Shows you all the BWise firmographic information, number of employees, headquarters site, revenue range, start year, etc., as well as custom fields that you can create yourself. We've created a few here, such as our prospect rating field, where we can actually edit that data directly on our mobile. You'll also see on the contact grid, there's at the top left of it, the little right-hand arrow. If I tap on that, notice it allows me to expand and contract the contact grid. And then the three icons next to each contact, if I want to record an activity, like if I want to record a call to Deborah, I can just tap the little clipboard icon, and it allows me to record an activity directly from my phone. I'm going to cancel out of that and go back to where I was and show you the other two icons. You have an email icon, so you can actually send an email directly from your phone by hitting Create Email, and that will launch, depending on your browser and the email that you use, it will launch the email compose window where you can do the send from there. And then further over to the far right, you see a head with a little plus symbol next to it. That is a link that will take you to that individual's LinkedIn profile by tapping on that. And then at the very bottom, you see the recent activities associated with that company. And let's go back up to the top, and let's tap on the orange back to search result button to take us back to there. Notice on the search results button, I also have a little recent drop down, so I can get back to another recent search by tapping on Accutech, for example, and going back into their profile by tapping on it. And there I am on their profile now, okay? Now let's go back to the home page, and to do that, I'm going to tap the little three vertical, I guess they're horizontal bars there at the top left, and I'm going to tap on home to take me back to there. If I scroll down to my favorite lists, I can then tap on any one of these lists. Let's tap on Atlanta Territory 1, and it will pull up the 866 firms in that list and allow me to expand and view any of them. The icons directly below the orange button, you'll see the activity icon. There is a note icon, so if I want to add a note to this record, I can do it like so. If I tap the little link icon, it gives me a list of all of the various one-click resource links. So if I want to see if this company has been mentioned in any news articles in the Atlanta Business Chronicle, News Archives, or the Charlotte Business Journal, the Dallas Business Journal, Indeed, to see if the company is currently growing and hiring. And then also, as you're using BWise, our researchers call firms to continuously update the information. But if you ever see something like, say, a contact has left the company, or something on the company needs to be updated, like an address, just click the little magnifying glass icon right there, and then tell us what's changed. Give us some information about what might have changed, and also if you need a reply, if it's an urgent request, we will definitely get back to you within 24 hours with an update. We're publishing updates to the database daily, and so we take care of keeping all of your prospecting data up to date for you. So that's all for the BWise mobile overview. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at support@businesswise.com. Thanks so much.